Hi, I'm Visina, and today I have this blue mechanical keyboard. So is it just another keyboard or does it bring something special to the table? Well, let's find out. Firstly, let's talk about the look. This isn't just a keyboard, it's a piece of art. The gradient blue design is like having a slice of the ocean right on your desk. From a light, sun-kissed blue to the deep, mysterious hues of the sea. It's a visual journey that makes this keyboard stand out in any setup. Now, onto the size and functionality. The 75% compact layout is a game changer. It's perfect for saving space on your desk or slipping into your bag for a trip. You're getting full-sized functionality without the bulk, making it ideal for both gaming and productivity. But what about the typing experience? The hot swappable linear red switches are a dream come true for those who love customization. Whether you prefer a 3-pin or a 5-pin setup, this keyboard lets you swap them out with ease, offering a fast, quiet, and smooth keystroke. It's perfect for any environment, from a busy office to a late-night gaming session. Let's light it up with the custom RGB lighting. With 20 different lighting modes, the customization is endless. Whether you want a single color light or a dynamic RGB show, this keyboard has got you covered. And for those who prefer a more minimalistic setup, you can easily turn off the lighting to save power. Finally, macro programming. This keyboard supports driver software that opens up a world of possibilities. Customize your RGB modes, lighting colors, macro settings, and key functions to enhance your efficiency in work and gaming. The power to tailor everything to your liking is right at your fingertips. So this mechanical keyboard is much more than a typical tool. It's a fusion of striking aesthetics, compact functionality, and personalized performance. If you're looking to elevate your keyboard game with a touch of oceanic flair, this might just be the keyboard for you. Ready to ride the wave of gradient blue? You might hit that add to cart button now. Okay, bye.